class 8th. Today I am going to explain you chapter number first of civics, which is very important. And before going to start it, I want to say you something. Just please autoplay your YouTube, because this chapter is very long, and see, I have made all the chart and I will explain it one by one, so it will take time, and it will take some more part. So if you will autoplay your video, then one by one it will come till the end. So let's go start it. I'm going to start it. Please listen it carefully, and whatever the question you want to ask about it, you can ask it in comment section. I will definitely give you reply. See, the chapter name is the Indian Constitution, and the first thing I have written here, introduction. As I have earlier said to you, introduction is very important for all the chapters in SST. So please listen it carefully. As I have explained it in class 6th and in class 7th also, that we have looked and read Indian Constitution already in political science. But in this class and in this chapter, I will look after that what is Constitution and why it's need for any country. What is the feature of Indian Constitution? And you can see today almost every country have their Constitution. Constitution need for so many purposes. First of all, Constitution unite a country and make us disciplined. Okay, let's understand that when we are playing something, any kind of game, in this game, when we are participating in it, first we have to know all the rules for this to play. If we will not knowing the rule, and if we are knowing the rule but we are not following the rules of the game, do you think this game will give us interest and give us enjoyment? So if we will not play, if we will not follow the rules, we cannot play a single game. The game is very small thing. So, and in our daily life also, we need to follow some discipline. At our home also, we are our parents, our teachers making some rules to follow us. Why the rule is important for our life? Rule is not that we are bound by something.